Welcome to a short video on the new features for version 2.23, EchoHam version 2.23. We've finally introducing the favourite stations. So this video is going to show you how to use the favourite stations. You can see now in the list of the station list, we've got an item which is always up at the top, which is called favourite stations, and we expand that item. You can see some stations in there that are favourites, and how to mark stations as favourites. It's very simple. When you scroll through your list of stations as you normally do, and let's say you want to mark this station here as a favourite station, you do an option click or a right click, whatever you want to call it, and a little menu comes up and it's got the favourite option there. Now if you just click on favourite, then that station is turned into a favourite. You can see that by the little favourite symbol here. The favourite symbol is on, and if you do the right click again, you can see there's a tick on the favourite now, and of course that station is now added in at the top here on the list. So if I take another station here, highlighted, right click on it or option click, click on favourites, and that station is added to your favourites list. And then of course you can just connect to it from your favourites list or from wherever you like to connect to. You can connect it from here as well. You can also remove stations in the favourites list by right clicking or option clicking again, clicking favourites, and there it goes. And you can do the same on any of them. And of course you can do that either here in the normal list, or you can do it here. So there we go. That's the favourites option, favourites feature, which has finally been implemented into EchoHam. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you have any queries or need any assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us on the support email. Thank you.